Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 26th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir still down 28 cents, 2.89%, closed at 940. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So we broke the first support that we have, but we have two here. We have a double support kind of thing. So we broke the first one. That's not super. Let's go see on the 1 hour chart what happened today. The first hour was down and we are maintaining ourselves above 940, just barely above 940. So it was just a sideways day for Palantir. Everything else is in the tank in terms of the indicators on the 1 hour chart. On the daily chart, stochastic is getting lower and lower. So we are at 35. We still have MACD. We lost RSI and still have DMI. So our last chance is to bounce on this upward support right here. So let's hope that we can do that. And let's take a look at the VIX a little bit. VIX is coming up. VIX is coming up. So though this is not helping us at all. So we are very close to our second resistance right here. And look at stochastic here is climbing. We're still at 28. So this is still not super strong. Let's hope that this is just a pullback on our way down. This is what we want. We want VIX to come down. Let's look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones is rebounding and coming back down a little bit, but still quite a bit far away from support. S&P a lot closer to support. So let's see if it holds. We still have good stochastic right there. Nasdaq still quite a ways away from support. So there's still chance. We have last stochastic over 60. So that's the bad thing here. And the same thing for Nasdaq 100. Let's stay tuned as to what is going to happen tomorrow. What is good here is that we have some selling pressure right here. So if we go in the 1 hour chart on the VIX, so VIX seems to have made it top right here. It tried to go higher, could not try it again. And now it seems to be caving in a little bit, but we are in a congestion zone right here. We are in a congestion zone. Let's hope that we break 24.57 and that we start coming back down a little bit. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.